Bronze 3, American Bolero, figure 1, Bolero basic with sway. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And now we will demonstrate the gentleman's footwork. He begins with a side step on his left foot and commences with a sway action, back and forth, side step on the right, contra check, side step in promenade, rotating as he steps back, and then continuing along with the side step for our basic. And now the lady's footwork. She steps side, sway action, side step, back, feet on one track for a contra check, side step and promenade, rotates her head back to dance position as she turns to conclude the figure.